Hello friends, in the last video we have studied about the availability of renewable energy. Now we move forward about understanding how this renewable energy can be converted and be brought into practical application. From the diagram we can understand about the flow of renewable energy. Let me explain this diagram. Basically, you see that there is a source from where we are getting the energy, like solar, radiation, geothermal, gravitational, or the orbital motion. The energy mechanism from where the energy is being extracted and its end application where is going to be used. We can see an energy mechanism from where the energy is being extracted and its end application to where it is being used. Let us consider the sun as the source. Then the energy which we are getting from the sun is in the form of solar radiation. About 1,20,000 units of solar flux is absorbed on the surface of the earth, whereas 50,000 units are reflected to the space. Let me be clear that the numbers shown in the diagram are in terawatts, that is 10 to the power 12 watts. So in this, we can see that there is some reflection which is 50,000 and this is being reflected to the space. Now this 1,20,000 units of solar flux is being used to meet their end application. The 80,000 in units of solar flux is used by the means of sensible heating. That means directly the sun radiation is being used as sensible heating and is used in the applications such as solar water heater, solar buildings, solar dryers, ocean thermal energy. Similarly, you can see that 40,000 units of solar radiation is being used as latent heat and potential energy. In case of hydropower, this solar energy is used. And I know that there will be a question in your mind that how is it being used? The answer is heat energy receiving from the sun is in the form of solar radiation which is being used by water on the surface of the ocean. It is also used in the rivers or the lakes. The solar radiation is used as latent heat. Now you will understand the concept of latent heat. I will show you the diagram that will clear your latent heat concepts. Here in the diagram you can see water at 80 degrees Celsius, which first gets heated up to 100 degrees Celsius. This heat is used as sensible heating. Now further heating of water at 100 degrees Celsius, heat is absorbed in the molecules of water. Then the water molecules get converted from liquid form to vapor form. This change of phase of water is done by latent heat. Now the water is converted to steam. On further heating the steam, the temperature of steam gets higher and higher, which is sensible heating. So you can distinguish that the sensible heat shows the rise in temperature, whereas latent heat shows the change of phase or this potential energy which is absorbed by the particle. So let's draw the diagram to understand the flow of renewable energy. So, solar radiation is being used as latent heat to convert the water on the surface of the river of the ocean in vapor and to complete the cycle of the rain. Now, let's come back to the diagram. Similarly, 300 units are used as kinetic energy due to the difference in the pressure, wind and wave flows. Likewise, geothermal energy from the core of the earth is used as geothermal power. The dominance of solar energy is clearly visible from the renewable energy flow diagram. Although the flow energy diagram gives a glimpse of available energy, yet the information has little practical engineering applications. It is because of the rapid change in geographical conditions, the suitability of renewable energy source is decided based on availability and economy of energy production. Example, flat regions or shore areas are suitable for wind energy, but not for hydro energy. Similarly, hilly areas with rivers are suitable for hydropower and not for wind power. Tropical rainforest regions are good for harnessing biomass energy but are not good for wind and solar. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel.